Today we're comparing numbers, so please take out math page 71 with 72 on the back. This is lesson 3.9, one more, one less, and the same. Today we're going to be comparing numbers just like we've done the last couple of lessons. However, we're going to be doing a couple of things differently, so let's go ahead and get started. For the red star, we're going to look at these two groups and compare them, and they want us to circle the group that has one more. So if I look at the owls, I have 4 owls, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the trees I have 1, 2, 3. I know that 4 is more than 3, and I can also just easily look at this and see that I have an owl without a tree, so I know that the owls are a larger group. Now, what I need to do is to make this the same, the trees the same as the owls, I would need to draw one more tree. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make an additional tree. And now I have the same number. I have 4 owls and 4 trees. Let's look at this one by the blue star. This time they want me to circle the group that has one less. So I have some foxes that are curled up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have some foxes that are standing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The group that has one less would be 4. 4 is one less than 5, so I'm going to circle this group, and in order to make this group equal with this top group, I would need to X out one of the standing foxes. Now I have 4 foxes who are laying down and 4 foxes who are standing up. Okay, let's go down to the bottom here by the green star. This time they want me to circle the group that has one more. So I have some deer here and some fawn here, and I have 3 of these and 2 of these. 3 is one more than 2, so I am going to circle this group, and in order to make my amounts even, I'm going to have to draw a fawn. Now, of course, this is not going to look anything like their picture. They maybe could have picked something easier than a deer to draw. My computer image of this looks absolutely nothing like it should, so maybe you'll have better luck than I. However, you can easily tell there are 3 of these and 3 of these, and now I have the same number of both. Okay, let's turn our page over and do the back side. For this one, whoopsie. Okay, now we're on the right page. This is page 72, and on the back of this, we are going to complete the instructions, okay? We're still comparing numbers, okay? So by the red star, we have dogs. We have 3 dogs, and they want us to draw a group that is one more. So we're going to draw one more. With this, they want us to draw bones. So I have 3 dogs. So if I want one more bone than dog, I would have to draw 4 dog bones. Again, my drawings leave a little bit to be desired. Hopefully your drawings are just a little bit better than mine, but that's okay if they're not so great. As long as you can clearly see what the image is, that's really all that matters. Okay, so now I have the same amount. I don't want the same amount. I want one more. So I need to continue to draw, and I'm making one more dog bone. This one got a little bit better at first. Okay, so now I have 3 dogs, and I have 4 dog bones. I have one more bone than I do dogs. With this, I have robots. So let's see how many robots I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 robots, and this time they want me to draw the same number, and they want me to make batteries. So I'm just going to make a simple square. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, and there's 6. I have the same number, and the way I've drawn it makes it easy to tell that I have the same number because I've lined them up for one-to-one correspondence. So I have one robot for one battery, one robot for one battery, one robot for one battery, etc. So I have 6 of each, the same amount. Now I'm going to go down here, and this time they want me to draw one less, and they want me to do one less drawing balls. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dogs. One less would be counting backwards from 5. That would take me to 4. So I need to draw 4 balls. That means that one dog will not have it because it's one less. So this dog doesn't have a ball because I drew one less. There's more dogs than there are balls. And that's all we need to do for today's lesson. Good work.